In the world of modern interior design, apartments are transforming into stylish havens that reflect contemporary tastes and lifestyles. Apartment modern interior design embraces simplicity while prioritizing functionality, creating spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical. Imagine stepping into a modern apartment where open floor plans reign supreme. The seamless flow between living, dining, and kitchen areas creates an inviting atmosphere, perfect for socializing or relaxing after a long day. A sleek sofa, adorned with decorative pillows, acts as the centerpiece in the living area, complemented by a chic coffee table that enhances the overall style. Kitchens are designed with efficiency in mind, featuring high-end stainless steel appliances, minimalist cabinetry, and spacious islands that double as dining spaces. Subtle lighting highlights the clean lines and modern finishes, creating a warm and welcoming vibe that invites culinary creativity. The bedroom, a sanctuary of rest, often showcases a plush bed with crisp white linens and tasteful accents. Soft lighting and carefully chosen decor elements enhance the tranquility of the space, allowing for a perfect retreat after a hectic day.